Hello folks, this is Uwe here back with another BTC update. In today's update I will be updating my thoughts. I will be telling what levels I am seeing on the BTC as the market is falling. So let's dive into the charts, what levels I am seeing on the charts. Let's get a clear chart first. So let's start the video. Let's start from the monthly time frame. Okay, now we are falling very badly, but if we just look at the previous months, okay, look at the monthly structure first. Let's start from the monthly structure. High, low, high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and we are in the formation of higher low. We are looking for the bottom. So I would not say that we are in a bearish market. No, we are doing a retracement that feels painful, like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one, and like this one. But the overall structure is still bullish. Okay, if you just look at the monthly time frame, just ask yourself, if you are seeing this structure on the 4 hour or the daily time frame, would you be bearish here? Obviously no, no one would be bearish here. So it's funny to see calling people turning into the bearish market and all that stuff. Well, I am not bearish right now, but the levels I am seeing are these. Let's start the analysis. We have swept previous month low, okay, a major liquidity point. Actually we are looking for the liquidity from the downside, and then we will move toward the higher liquidities. Okay, this is the previous month low. We have swept the previous month low, and where's the previous month high? All okay, this was the previous month high, still unswept. I'm just marking my levels. Previous month high, okay, and this is also the all-time high. And now we have a lot of liquidity below these double bottoms as well. We have swept this, so I'm deleting this liquidity. Now on the monthly time frame, there's nothing much to tell, to be honest with you guys, because the structures tell this all. We moving from one liquidity to another liquidity. We have swept, if you just look at the previous months, sweep the high, drop, 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 take these lows, and then moving higher. I am again anticipating the same move, and just moving to the weekly time frame from here. Now on the weekly time frame, price is unfolding many more levels. We have more better and clear levels on the weekly time frame. First of all, okay, we got these levels. Let me just clear this out. Okay, these levels here, previous month high, previous month low. And now if we see, we have an SR level here. Okay, why this level is important? Because just look at this reversal, 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 claim, and a move higher, come near this area and a move higher, and we haven't closed any weekly candle in this region. Okay, just ignore my trash drawing. Okay, we haven't closed any weekly candle into this level. Now what I am expecting in the price, based on this level only, well, I will add more confluences as we move forward. So number one confluence would be, we still have 5 days left for the weekly close. Claiming back this level is a sign of strength. Okay, number one, claiming back weekly or at least closing above the 104k is a sign of strength for us. We will consider all this move as a liquidity sweep. Now what favor these moves is a flat weekly open. Okay, we have a flat weekly open, okay, which is flat. Price straight drop from that level. Okay, and now if I just mark the monthly open here, just look at this monthly open at this point. We have price just dropped in the start of the month, which is a good thing, to be honest. Okay, monthly open. Today the video will be a bit longer, but I swear this is the only video you need for the BTC to make your plans, to make your positions, for a clarity in the market. So now when the monthly open straight drops, it's a good sign. Why? Because we are making the lower wick. Okay, and now if you see the weekly on the in the context in the previous in the history, just look at this. We got a rally, formed all-time high, sweep that high, and a drop. Okay, then as we claim back these levels here, price just rally up. Okay, what levels are important? Just mark this level here, sweep this level, price fall below this level. Everyone was bearish here, market structure shifting and all that stuff. Okay, and then we move higher when we claim back this level, sweep some liquidity here. Now I am anticipating the same move in these weeks as well. If you just look at the previous levels as well, we have an all-time high, drop drop drop, and then a rally. Okay, all-time high, drop drop drop, and then a rally, again an all-time high, and we are just dropping like we dropped here. All-time high, a drop, all-time high, and we are in that drop phase. Okay, we are just correcting the markets, clearing the over leverages, which is a healthy sign for the market. Just look at this, we are repeating the same pattern here. Okay, we formed the all-time high, all-time high, all-time high, swept the all-time high, just we sweep like the here, we sweep the all-time high, and a drop, and a drop. Then as we claim, this is the most strongest level, we claim this level, I will be bullish again. Simple is that. Okay, claiming back this level. Now we have to find the confluences that will lead to the claim of this level back. Okay, why we think this level is important? Simple, the history tells us all-time high, sweep, drop, all-time high, sweep, drop, claiming back an important level, and a rally upward. Okay, I hope I am trying my best to make it understandable. So yes, okay, I am trying my best to make this understandable, and I hope you guys are getting it. If you are here on the stream, I think you are getting it. So we have swept the previous month low. Now there's another liquidity level here, this one. Do we come and sweep this level? I don't know, but if we sweep and break above here, claiming back the previous month low, this is a show long for me. My stop loss will be here, and I will be targeting 120k area, the supply here, this level here. I will be targeting this level here. Let me just remove the previous line. So these are the clear levels for me, and if we drop, I am still bullish even if we come at 89k levels here. This is a weekly demand. Even if we drop here, I will start building my longs with a clear invalidation here, targeting 120k supply. So there's a, that's why I was talking about the weekly time frame. There's a lot to tell about weekly time frame, has a lot to tell about where the prices are heading toward. Okay, so now if you just weekly time frame, we have a context of the weekly time frame. This is an important level, 98k level. If we sweep this and claim back, is a good sign for the market. If we claim back previous month low, that adds to the bullishness of the price. Okay, and getting back above this level, above here, this will also act as a resistance in my opinion. So yes, getting back above this level is the same like getting, like the price getting above here. Okay, but as long as we stay below this level here, there's a confusion in the markets. A lot of people will be bearish. Even I am now. Just okay, just another thing, just imagine how many people will be bullish here. No one, literally no one would be bullish here. Like in my opinion, it is simply a market structure break, and what happened next, we just rally up. So now if we break below this level here, I swear literally no one would be bullish here. But there is always a chance to be bullishness. There's the history always tells us to be bullish at the points where no one is bullish anymore. Okay, and I want that thing. Now we sweep this level. Okay, now move to the daily time frame. What I am looking at the daily time frame, you have my clear levels. Okay, if you're not understanding the video, just go and play back the video and try to understand what I am saying. I am trying my best to make you guys understand the video. Okay, now what the daily range is telling me, got a range high sweep, 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 and then a mid-range as resistance, acting as a resistance level. So let me, why not marking this level as a resistance for our first target. So yes, this level, just extend it a bit, just a second. Here we have a supply region here, and that would be our first target. If even if we just claim back the previous month low, the stop loss will be here and the target will be here. Now uh, the ranges on the daily time frame adds to the importance of this line that I have drawn here. Let me just draw it as red. Adds the importance of this level. If we get back into the range, this is a simply a deviation, okay, deviation of the range low into the resistance and the 120k supply, okay, simple is that, deviation until proven wrong, okay. So yes, these are the levels I am seeing on the BTC, and now if we compare these levels with the USD dominance that I talk a lot on my Twitter, here it is, USD dominance. This will indicate us where we are heading toward. I have already my previously marked levels here, as I have updated this on my X. You can go and check there as well. So we have a support region here. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what I am looking in the USD dominance is a monthly chart, by the way. Move to the weekly time frame. As the weekly time frame unfolds the most, like in the BTC chart, it will do the same here in the USD dominance chart. Now what I want to see for an instant relief on BTC price, like something like this, what I want to see is a rejection from the OTE region, OTEY, from the high, from the major high to the low. Okay, oh sorry, I was from the high, from the high to the low, OTE resting here, okay. So yes, if we just reject from here, rejecting from previous month high, as we have swept the previous month high, that would be a great opportunity for the BTC to reverse, and then I will be looking for sure, I will be looking for longs on BTC. And what makes me think that this will reverse is this monthly open, flat monthly open. We just pumped on the monthly open, and this is not a good thing, by the way. We need a monthly wick towards the downside as well, which we are not getting right now. So yes, we just monthly open, weekly open, okay, monthly and weekly opens. Just remove the indicator. Monthly open here, barely wick toward downside, and the weekly open doesn't even have a wick toward the downside. So yes, what just look how a candle form, down wick and up wick, down wick, up wick, wick toward downside and upward. Even if we don't have the wick toward downside, that forms a liquidity below the candle, and the upcoming week just sweeps it and moves higher. Up wick, down wick, up wick, down wick. Just look at this. This is not a normal candle, okay. So if we just reverse from here, what are the scenario? A reversal from the OTE into previous month high, that is simply a deviation, a rejection from the monthly open, okay. And where would the price lead? It will lead definitely the price into this, at least into this level, okay. And if we extend the target, it's the previous month low. And then what happens on the BTC is this, we will reverse after sweeping this, we get reversal from here, from this low, and we just move higher at least into this supply, okay. Now what if we don't reverse from here? What are the next level I am looking for? Just let me remove the lines real quick. Yes, keep the chart clean, okay. Now what if we don't reverse from here? What are the next plans for the BTC? Like, are we gonna bleed more? Obviously we are gonna bleed more. Why? Because the uh, dominance has an inverse relation to the BTC prices with the market prices. If we close this candle, even if we get a daily close above here, and I will be really monitoring it, if we get 2 or 3 days close above here, start consolidating, this means this level is now a support. It is acting as a support, price is holding it. Then what comes the next is this resistance here. Okay, now why this resistance? Again, let's move to the monthly time frame. Just look at here, this was acting as a support, support, breakdown, retest, move down, again into this region, move down. Now again into this region, we will anticipate a move down until we break above this level here. Until we don't break that level, until we don't break above this line here. Okay, oh man, I've done a straight line. So until we don't break above this level, I am not bullish on dominance and not bearish on BTC. If we break above this line here, I am gonna be shifting my buys from bullish to bearish. Then we will be looking for shorts. Until then, just look at this. It is ping ponging, low, high, low, high, low, high. Okay, even if we come at this level, and what happens on BTC, I'm telling you, if we come into this level here, we will definitely at least come into these lows here at 92k region. Okay, don't be overconfident, man. Okay, I'm seeing the price even coming here and even coming here. Why? Because as the USD dominance goes into the major supply region, BTC will definitely fall into major demand region. Okay, simple is that. Just connect the dots of the puzzles. Okay, USD dominance in a supply, BTC in major demand. Simple is that. So yes, but and if we get a rejection right now, that will be more better for us. BTC will get a more higher chance of reversal. And just let me check on the daily time frame. It is making so many over bullish candles with no wicks downward. Even this is barely wick downward, and we have liquidity at the previous month low and on this low as well. Liquidity level, we have liquidity above below here as well, in my opinion. And then if we got a reversal from here, my first target will be this, and for BTC it will be at least into this resistance and weekly open. Weekly open will be the first target and the resistance will be the second target. And if we reverse from here, then BTC will bleed more. Simple is that. And if we just come here into the previous month low, yes, into the previous month low, then I think BTC will sweep previous month high. Simple is that. What happens here is the opposite of what happens here. Okay, so yes, even if we got 2 hours, yes, we got 2 hours in the daily close. If we close like this, yes, then I will be cautious about the prices. Then I will definitely wait for the price for this move to get here, and then I will be look for longing BTC. You just see how we just when in the previous cycle, OTE from the low to the high, tap, rejection, BTC got some relief, flipped this into the resistance and a move toward the demand region, and that was a beautiful move for the BTC. And now I am again anticipating the same move. So yes, keeping these confluences in the mind, I can't call for a bearish market, because how can I call this a bearish market when BTC is heading toward the demand regions and USD dominance is heading toward the resistance regions? Okay, call it bearish market when USD dominance is here. Okay, call it a correction when we are here, that we are anticipating a correction. While most of the people do, they become bullish here and become bearish here, the quite opposite. Okay, and they are gonna lose money. Simple as that. You have to change your approach. You have to become cautiously bearish here and cautiously bullish here. Same, cautiously bearish here and cautiously bullish here. Okay, in these regions. And I think that's it for the update. If you don't understand the video, go and listen to it back. And am I in the positions? No, I am not in any position. I am looking for reversals point here. Whenever the price give me a clue, I will literally jump in the price and target higher prices. And then if we sweep this level, we will definitely move into the supply. So I'm playing level to level, claiming back this level is a target, this level, claiming back this level, stop here, targeting this level, claiming back this level, targeting much higher, stop loss here. This is a level to level play. I'm playing between levels and levels and levels. Okay, in and outs, in and outs, in and outs. And I think this is the more better approach in the market nowadays. So now just look at the two pairs when you analyze in your analysis, USD dominance and the current BTC liquidity levels. And now we are heading toward the BTC liquidity. Let's see what it does. I don't want a daily close here, by the way. I want it to get a wick move higher. Okay, because if we do so, if and yes, not a daily close above here. I want it to be in the previous month high, closing rejecting from the previous month high. That would be more better for us. This will give us more quick relief. And if it don't, we have to wait for it to move into the resistance, wait for the BTC to move into the 89k region, then a reversal from here. Until then, we will be having a waiting game. And if we okay, let me tell you another plan here. If we close the daily here, okay, we have a clear sign that it will come to retest here and then move higher. What on the BTC? If we close daily here, okay, below this low, I will be waiting for this level to get retest to make a short. My invalidation will be somewhere between here and my target will be this. Simple is that. Just keeping the USD dominance in mind. And when I am seeing weakness in USD dominance, I will be reversing my positions. Weakness, and that weakness I am seeing here. I am seeing that weakness here. From here, I will again become bullish on BTC, targeting some more higher levels. Until then, it's a waiting game for me. So I hope you guys understand what I want to say. If you don't understand, just go and see again the video 2 times, 3 times, doesn't matter. Unless you're getting the value, just watch the video again and again, mark these levels on your charts and get benefit from it. And if you enjoyed the video, you get some value from the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and do follow me on my X. By the way, the Ethereum, okay, I think this video is going to be longer than average. So if I just get here, I've literally calling this move from here. I was cautiously bearish on Ethereum. If I show you on my Twitter, I have posted it. Get into my profile. You can follow me here, Ugwe Trades. So this was here. We were at 3851. 3851. Yes, we were somewhere between here in this region. These are the regions to get bearish, man. These are the reasons. Literally, these are the regions to get bearish. So I was looking for not a weekly close in this region, because if we do so, we will get a move lower. Okay, so simple is that. Range low sweep and a down. Now we have a deviation of range high sweep, and now the mid range. If we hold the mid range here, I can see a rally, or otherwise we just drop into this demand region here. This is very okay, just do something like this. Actually, I am trying to short the video in this demand region here. I am also seeing BTC on 27k regions, and then we will see some kind of strength in the price. And what happens? Well, I don't think so. The top of BTC is in, and I've also marked the BTC levels when the BTC was literally at, let me just show you. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you? So when the BTC was 107k, I was literally anticipating this move here at 107k, that we will sweep the monthly low, and from the monthly low I was seeing a reversal from here, but we are dropping more. So this indicates this is actually something like, if we claim back the weekly previous month low, range low, then I will be targeting higher, and the price is literally following the same plan. So this is what you have, this is what happens when you open your mind to the charts. They literally start talking to you. I hope you guys understand the video. Sorry for being a long video, but to be honest with you guys, this is the only video you need to make your decision. Okay, stay sharp, don't let the market surprise you. Thank you very much. Ugwe here. Leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.